Hello everyone, this is just a quick video for people who own Camprites. I've got a 2007 TL8s. I've had to change out the limiting strap for the suspension. I recently broke one. For just a quick heads up, the suspension on these, they're a Gaffa suspension. The suspension system itself is available from Martin's trailer spares or parts, whatever they're called, I can't remember off the top of my head. But you can get all the individual parts on their online store. I just went down to the local store and picked a new pair up. I think they were like 25 bucks each or something. So pretty cheap, but I'll just show you a few little things I ran into while changing them out. Looking under at the left hand side unit now, bottom bolt, no problem to get that one out, plenty of access. Top one, because of the water tank, it can't get all the way out. There is literally just enough room to squeeze this new strap in this side with that bolt out. So you can see it basically just hits up that water tank, and yeah, it's a bit of work, but it's doable. On the right hand side, yours may look a little different here because I've replaced this elbow in the past and whatnot, but I had to drop that water line out in order to get that top bolt even remotely out. At the bottom, it's the same as the left hand side as well, so that's no problem getting that one out at all. But yeah, it's just those two top units, pretty easy to change out. Like I said, just a pretty short video there, so hopefully if you need to do this job on your Camprite, you should be able to do it. It's not difficult at all, just a little bit fiddly. So thank you very much for watching. See you later. From Martin's trailer spare, yeah, get it right. They're available. Parts are available from Martin's trailer spares.